Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new 4x6 Gnome Summer Suite stamp set. This is a 12-piece stamp set that comes with 3 images. The little gnome is 2 1/8 inches tall by 1 5/8 inches wide. The girl gnome is 2 inches wide by 4 3/4 inches tall because she has this great big stack of ice cream on her cone. And finally, you have the girl and boy gnome sharing an ice cream treat, and this measures 3 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/2 inches tall. It comes with 8 sentiments and an exclamation point. It makes a great addition to the Whimsy Stamps gnome collection. I'm stamping the set out for you so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, this stamps out really nice. I did make one card for you. I paired the Gnome Suite stamp set up with the Slimline Wavy Edgers die along with the Slimline Taffy paper pack. And for the background, I used the Slimline Wavelength embossing folder. And I just colored in the gnomes with some Copic markers. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.